Kaya naririnig nyo yung socialization. Yan, tama. Mingle-mingle. Kasi that's how we socialize as humans. So yun kasi yung misconception about socialization. There is nothing wrong for your dog to play with other dogs as long as yung aso naman na yun is kasama niya sa bahay. Me, I have plenty of sports dog. Mga pang-compete. I let them play. I let them rough house. But, sila-sila lang. Na misconception ng iba, lalo na yung may mga iba, solong anak sa bahay, solong dog sa bahay, ay, kailangan ko may socialize yung dog ko, may pet park doon, ihahayaan ko makipaglaro. That's the best way to destroy your dog's confidence. Kasi sometimes, if your dog, dalawa lang yan, it's either your dog is a leader, dominant, or your dog is a follower. So if your dog is dominant, your dog will learn how to dominate other dogs. So hindi naman aggressive yung dog ko eh. Hindi naman siya nangangaway. Pero that's the early sign na yung dog nyo is displaying dominance to other dogs. Now it may be harmless at this moment, pero it's just a ticking time bomb. Kailan makakamit yung aso nyo ng asong katapat niya. On the other hand, paano naman yung aso ko follower? Insecure kasi yung aso ko eh. They need to build confidence around other dogs. That's good. Kung sure kayo na katulad ng ganun din, mababait yung mga makakasama niyang aso. Paano kung mabully sila? Once they become bullied by other dogs, that's the time na natututunan ng aso i-defend yung sarili nila.